So here we are, back to school, and to mark the final half term of the year, I'm recording this assembly just outside my office on the sunken tennis courts on a beautiful summer's evening. Anywhere outside on the Fylde coast is far from ideal for filming because I'll have a long wait if I hang around for the wind to die down for more than about 30 seconds, but it's a fantastic place and one I always enjoy being in. There are simple pleasures everywhere and it's important to seize them. This week was something of a landmark for AKS, where we partially opened for some of our nursery, reception, Year 1 and Year 6 pupils. They have been fantastic, rising to the occasion, respecting the need for social distancing and good hygiene, and embracing the spirit of learning and life while staying safe. They were everything that I'm proud of in all of you as AKS students. And today reminds us that, however overwhelming and endless tough times may seem to be, things can change, things do move on. But my challenge to you today is not just to look forward, but to look back and reflect upon what you've learned in the times we have been through and continue to go through. For me, I've been reminded of the power of working together. The pressures of these times can seem overwhelming, and without the people around us, our family and friends, classmates and colleagues, it would be easy to feel crushed. And as we embark on this final month of the school year, I would urge you to think about how you can reach out to others, both to seek help and to give it. You can drop people a surprise message, meet them on house party, send them a picture, or just ask how you're doing. The legacy for me will be doing exactly that, but you will have your own lessons, and it's important that you think about them and carry them forward into the rest of your life. In the spirit of looking to the future, please keep a lookout in your emails from the survey from Mr. Maund about careers in higher education. It's been a long day and a long term and a long year, but we're here, all of us, with everything to look forward to. Good luck with all that you hope to achieve in this final half term, and remember to help those around you achieve their goals too.